Aging, it's something we all go through, but it's far from straightforward. What if I told you that aging isn't just a gradual process, but more like a series of sudden shifts, especially around the ages of 44 and 60? Recent research has uncovered fascinating insights into these critical moments, revealing how our bodies change in ways that could redefine how we approach aging. Scientists took a deep dive into the biology of aging by studying 108 people, aged 25 to 75, using advanced techniques to look at the molecular details, our DNA, proteins, and metabolites. What they found was surprising. Around the age of 44, your immune system starts to shift. It's as if your body's defense team begins to lose its precision, making you more susceptible to chronic inflammation or autoimmune diseases. Then, when you hit 60, your metabolism, the process that turns food into energy, starts to slow down significantly. This change makes it easier to gain weight and harder to manage your blood sugar, increasing the risk for conditions like diabetes and heart disease. But here's what's really interesting. These changes don't happen gradually. They're more like sudden jumps, almost as if your body flips a switch. This challenges the traditional view of aging as a slow, linear process. Instead, it suggests that aging is more complex, with critical moments where our body systems undergo significant shifts. So what's happening inside our bodies at these critical ages? Around 44, the pathways that regulate your immune system, think of them as the traffic signals for your body's defenses, start to falter. This could lead to either overreactions like chronic inflammation or underreactions, making you more vulnerable to infections. Then, as you reach 60, the pathways involved in your metabolism, particularly the ones that regulate blood sugar, begin to slow down. This can lead to higher blood sugar levels and a greater risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Understanding these shifts is crucial. It opens the door to personalized medicine, where healthcare can be tailored to your specific stage in the aging process. Imagine being able to intervene just before your body's defense mechanisms weaken or before your metabolism starts to slow down. This kind of targeted healthcare could help us not only live longer, but live healthier. Of course, every study has its limitations. The research involved a relatively small group of 108 participants, and it captured a snapshot of people at different ages rather than following the same individuals over time. This approach can introduce variability that might affect the findings. From our perspective at Biotic Chronicles, another potential pitfall is the focus on specific age points without fully exploring the continuum of changes. Plus, while the study identifies key molecular pathways, the mechanisms driving these changes remain unclear, suggesting that more research is needed. So what does this all mean? Aging is far more complex than we once thought, with key changes happening suddenly rather than gradually. By understanding these shifts, we can rethink how we approach aging in healthcare, potentially leading to more personalized, effective treatments. At Biotic Chronicles, we believe this study marks an important step forward in understanding the aging process, and we're excited to see how this knowledge can be used to help people live healthier, longer lives.